ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां पुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। Hari Om. So we are in Ajanta Napunsakalinga Prakarana. In last class we have seen the vichara of this Nalumatangasya, this Paribhasha Sutra, how that Paribhasha Sutra is Anitya. That vichara we did, and then we saw the new Sutra Asti Dati Sakshna Manangudatta. So here Asti, Dadhi, Sakthi and Akshi, these four words are Raswa Ekaranta Napunsakalinga, but we get Hari Om Swamiji, we get their different form. Yes, Swamiji.
Continue.
There are different forms of these words when there are Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyayas are there. Tritiya onwards, whatever the Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyayas are there, some different forms are there. So that we will have to see. So Sutra Asti Dadi Sakshakshna Manang Udatta. Sutra says that Anang Adesha will happen to Asti, Dadi, Sakthi and Akshi, these four words. So Ikara will be replaced by Anang. Now in order to bring this Anang is Anekal, so Anekal Shit Sarvasya, by that Paribhasha, it should replace the whole Shabda, which is Asti, Dadi, Sakthi or Akshi. Does not, because Nitya, this Sutra comes and it tells that if it is Nit, then whatever the Adesha is Nit, then it will not replace everything or the whole Shabda, but it will again come in the place of the last letter of that particular Shabda. So that's how the Ikara was replaced by Anang by this Sutra. Here. Asti ta, Asti a, Asth, Anang a, Asthan a. This is the situation we have got. So here we have replaced Ikara by Anang. Sutra is Asti Dadi Sakshakshna Manang Udatta. Now that A of that Anang is Udatta. That is one more thing which is there in the Sutra. Okay, but for now Udattatva we can just remember, okay, this Anang Akara is Udatta. Okay. Now after doing this Anang, next Sutra comes. Let's read that Sutra. Alloponaha, Alloponaha, Alloponaha. Sutra is Allopo Anaha, Allopaha Anaha. That's how it goes. So here it is like this. At Akara Lopa will take place. What is the place where which Akara is supposed to get disappeared? So Anaha, Anaha, Akara, Anaha, At, Tasya Ataha Lopaha. So Anaha, Shashti Vibhakti, Ekvachan, Anaha, Ataha, again Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachan, which is Akarasya. Yeah. Lopaha. Okay. This is the main sutra. At Lopaha, Allopaha, Anaha of An. Now here further explanation we need to see. Very long big vritti is given by Granthakara. Angavayavaha asarvanam sthana yajadi swadi paraha यह अन तस्य अकारस्य लोपः स्यात्. So whatever we saw just now, this anaha ataha lopaha, anaha akarasya lopaha, that means that whatever the an is there, what an just now we have got asth anang, which turned into an. Okay, and then there is, so here there is an, and it is a part of asth. So asthan. Okay, this much we have got asthan. Now there is an in this asthan. Asthan it itself is having one identity. Okay, asthan is having one identity, and it has this an as a part of it. Okay, this much we have to remember. Now what this is saying, this much we have to see, that yah an tasya akarasya lopah, yah an tasya akarasya lopah. So kah an, ayam sah an, asya anah, of this an, what is going to get disappeared? Akara will disappear. So anah atah akarasya lopah syat. So we have to provide kriya pada. Yeah. Anah atah akarasya lopah syat. So this is where we are supposed to work. Now this an is getting specified. What type of an? Because an is going to appear many times. We can take any other word like Rajan, Rajan, or Charman, Naman. So many places are there where there is an, and here are example asthan. So many types of an are there, or there is a possibility of many types of an. So which an we are supposed to take for this particular?
So Atman also will be like that?
Yes, Atman also has an.
It has an.
Brahman, any shabda which is ending with a and na. So we can see that many places are there where an can be seen in the shabda or anga. Now that an will be specified. Now among these many shabdas, which an we are supposed to take? Now Atman, Charman, Rajan, these shabdas are having an inbuilt in them. Whereas this asthan, originally shabda is, the original pratipadika is asthi. Original pratipadika. Further, we got this an added to that asthi shabda in one particular situation, tritiya vibhakti ekvachana pratyaya. In that situation only that asthi became asthan. Originally it is asthi. Whereas in the case of Rajan, Charman, Naman, Atman, Brahman, these shabdas are ananta inbuilt. An is not. So we can see there are two different types of an. Okay. And now again an, the same an. Now this Charman or the Naman can be followed by Su Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan, or can be followed by Ta, which is Ekvachan, which is Ajadi. Su is Haladi, Ta is Ajadi. Again, Dhyam is again Haladi. So, Ananta Shabda getting followed by different types of pratyaks. So, different types of situations we will get. So, when there is Dhyam, we will get one Saudhnya to Naman. So, that will be Pada. Whereas, when we take the Ta pratyaya, then it will get Bha Saudhnya, Yachibham. So, Yajadi, Yadi, Ajadi pratyaya pare, असर्वनाम स्थाने प्रत्यय परे अंगस्य भ संज्ञा, हालादि प्रत्यय परे अवशिष्टा स्वादिष्व सर्वनाम स्थाने इत्यनेन पद संज्ञा. So in different situations anga is getting different संज्ञा and shabda is ending with an. This much just we are preparing background. So there are different types of an they are getting followed by different types of pratyas. Because they are getting followed by different types of pratyas, therefore, the annanta shabda, annanta anga is also getting different types of saudnyas. Sometimes it is getting pada saudnya, sometimes it is getting bha saudnya. Okay. So, in these various possibilities or different options, which an we are supposed to take here in this particular situation. So that is being specified. Okay. If there was no particular Visheshana, then the rule would have been applicable for all the situations. But because the Granthakara is mentioning the specific situation, that's why we have to see it. So what is that specific situation? That specific situation is described Angavayavaha Asarvanamsthana Yajadi Swadi Paraha Yaha An. So that An, which is Angavayava, it is the Avayava, it is a part of Anga Prakriti. Okay, and it is getting followed or in front of that An, which is Angavayava, there is Asarvanamasthana, Yajadi or Yadi or Ajadi Pratyay is there. Okay, An is the part of Anga and it is getting followed by Yadi or Ajadi Asarvanamasthana Pratyay. Yadi or Ajadi Asarvanamasthana Pratyay. That is the situation. So, can be guessed what is exactly Granthakara mean by this? In short, he wants to say something.
So it will be the Anka which has got An and it is a Sarvanamasthana and Bha Sangya as well as Pada Sangya, that is not specified. So that Anga will undergo Akara Lopa in by Alopa.
I can't hear. Can you speak loudly what you are saying?
Yes, Swami. Am I audible now? Swamiji, am I audible, Swamiji?
Yes.
So that Anga which has got An as its Avayava and has got Bha or Padasangya, that has not been mentioned, but it is a Sarvanama Sthana. That Anga, that which has got that Akara in that An will get Lopa. And this An occurred only after Tritiya. So it will not be applicable for Shas.
Okay. Okay, I will specify question again. It is said that Asarvanamasthana Yajadi Swadipara.
So we will have Swadi Pratyaya we are doing right now. Yajadi Pratyaya we are yet to learn.
Yajadi means Yakarah Adav Yesham Te Yadayah Ach Adi Yesham Te Ajadayah. So Yajadi means either pratyay which is beginning with yakara or pratyay which is beginning with akara, swara. That is the meaning Yajadi.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So only Ajadi that Asarvanamasthana and Ajadi Pratyaya Pare.
Okay.
So we will have it in Tritiya Ekavachanam, then Chaturthi Ekavachanam, and then Panchami Ekavachanam, Shashti Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, and Bahuvachanam, Saptami Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam.
Okay. This what this Granthakara is explaining is this Asarvanamasthana Yajadi Swadi Pratyaya is nimitta for Bhasaudnya. Asarvanamasthana Yajadi Swadi Pratyaya. This is Swadi Pratyaya which comes in the Swadi group. Okay. It is ta is the yajadi swadi pratyay. It is swadi pratyay. It is ajadi, so therefore it is yajadi. And it is a sarvanamasthana. It has not got sarvanamasthana saudhya. Sarvanamasthana saudhya here in the case of asthi is given to only she, which is prathama vibhakti bahuvachan, dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachan. So it is a sarvanamasthana. A sarvanamasthana, ajadi, and it is swadi. So all these three conditions make anga bhasaudnyaka. Correct. So this is the explanation of this bhasaudnyaka nimitta. Here it comes. So originally in vritti, here there is bhasya, padapat vaso samprasaranam vaha ot shvayo mago nama tadhite, and then allopo naha. In this bhasya is anuvritta. So bhasya padaha pat, bhasya vaso samprasaranam, bhasya vaha ot, bhasya shvayo mago nama tadhite, and bhasya allopo anaha, bhasya allopaha anaha. That's how the vritti becomes. Bhasya, this particular pada is explained by Granthakara, ajadi swadi paraha an. Okay, so instead of saying that bhasaudnyakasya anaha akarasya lopaha, that's how vritti should be, that bhasaudnyakasya is here. An yasya ante tadrushasya bhasaudnyakasya anaha akarasya lopasya. That's how the vritti should be. But instead of that, he is just mentioning the pratyaya which is there after that an, which is actually nimitta for bhasaudnya. And kashikakara's vritti also will be different. Kashikakara's vritti is this. An iti evam antasya bhasya tannama bhasaudnyakasya akarasya lopaha bhavati. That is the vritti of Kashikakara. But Granthakara, the Kaumudikara says, Angavayavaha asarvanamasthana yajadi swadiparaha yaha an tasya akarasya lopasya. So this becomes little bit difficult or looks complicated, but we can just understand for now here the vritti of Kashikakara, or this vritti we can take that anga which is getting bhasaudnya, which has an, akara of that an will disappear. Okay, so anga ending with an, which has bhasaudnya, that akara of that an will disappear. This is the meaning of sutra. Angavayavaha an. So visheshana visheshya bhav. We'll go like this. Now we'll see the vritti. An is getting described. Angasya avayavaha avayavaha an tasya anaha of that an angavayavaha just tasya anaha akarasya lopaha. Akara of that will disappear. Again, that an is getting described further. Angavayavaha, but it should be followed by ajadi adi pratyayah pare yasmat ajadi swadi paraha an. So angavayavaha ajadi swadi paraha यह अन तस्य अनः लोपस्य, तस्य अनः अकारस्य लोपस्य. Okay, so it is angavayava, that means there is anga which is getting followed by ajadi swadi pratyaya, ajadi swadi asarvanama sthana pratyaya. That akara of an will disappear. That is the meaning. In short, when we read this ajadi swadi asarvanama sthana, one more word we will have to add here. Ajadi swadi asarvanama sthana, ajadi swadi नाम स्थान प्रत्ययः परे यस्मात् सह अजादि स्वादि असर्वनाम स्थान. Here I will add one more. Okay. So this asarvanama sthana Granthakara has taken first. You can put it later also. So ajadi swadi asarvanama sthana parah an tasya anha akarasya lopasya. In short, this summarizes or this gives us idea that it is bhasaudnyaka anga. So bhasaudnyakasya anah akarasya lopah syat. This is the meaning. Okay. This is clear?
Yes, Ji.
Now, we know that ta pratyaya is ajadi, it is swadi pratyaya, and it is asarvanama sthana pratyaya. So all conditions are getting fulfilled. Asarvanama sthana, ajadi, and it is swadi pratyaya. Therefore, akara of an will disappear. Astha na will remain, and then a. Is there? Sutra is lopo naha. Is ready. Astna. Okay. This is Tritiya Bhakti Ekavachan. Let's go to the next. Asti dhana bhyam. What will happen?
Astibhyam.
Astibhyam.
Astibhihi.
Okay. Asti dhana nge. What will happen here?
Asthne.
Asthne. So first, what will happen? Asth e dhana a. Next, Asti is having Ghisaudnya. Because it is having Ghisaudnya, so it will get Guna, Gerniti. But that Guna will not happen. There will come this Ikochi Vibhakta. That will also not happen. That will also get Badhita by the Sutra. Sutra. Asti dadhi na manang. Then
Akara lopa by alloponaha.
Akara lopa by allopanaha. Astne. Next, Asti dhanabhyam is equal to Astibhyam. Asti equal to Astibhyah. Asti. What will happen here?
Same, the ikara will be replaced by an by asti dadi shatyakshana anang udatah.
Asti dadi satyakshna manangudatah.
Then akara lopa will happen by allopanaha.
will disappear, na will remain, and as punah
Asnaha.
the sakara will turn into ru, sasajusho ruhu, kharavasana visarjaniya, it will turn into visarga. Asthi dhanabhyam will be asthibhyam. No vishishta prakriya. Asthi dhana. One here.
Same as before. Asti dadi shaktiakshanam anang udatah.
Dadi shaktiakshanam anang udatah.
Allopo naha akara lopa and then asnaha.
Allopo naha asth zero. Lopo naha. Ruhu kharavasana visarjaniya astnaha. Asthi dhana os. What will happen here?
Asnoho. Okay. So first is asti dadi shaktya akshana anang udatah.
Then
Allopo naha akara lopa will happen and then asnoho.
lopo naha. Then sasajusho ruhu kharavasana visarjaniya astnoho. Asthi dhana am. What will happen here?
We can apply the same. So asti dhadi shaktya kshanam anangadeshu anangudatah.
All other vidhis will get badhita because it is specifically for these four shabdas. So astha anang am by putra is asti dadi shaktiakshanam anang udatah. Then astha zero na am putra is allopo naha. That's it. Asthi dhana ni. What will happen here?
Astni.
So with this much prakriya asth I na I anang is will disappear, na will remain, and E naha, and result is okay, this is one. Now there is one optional form here. Sutra is, let's read the sutra. Vibhashangishoh, vibhashangishoh, vibhashangishoh. Asthi dadhi, sorry, alloponah. After that, there is this sutra, vibhashangishoh. This is 36th, that is 34th sutra. Yeah, 34th sutra, alloponah. So, allopah, anaha akarasya lopah. Ni shi iti anayoho pratyayoho parayoho vikalpena lopah. That is the vritti. So, angavayava asarvanama sthana yajadi swadi parah yah an. This much part is similar to that 34th sutra alloponah. Tasya akarasya lopah va syat नौ प्रत्यय परे, when there is ni pratyaya, saptami bhakti ekvachan, or shi pratyaya. These are two different pratyas which are given. So shi pratyaya, for now it is not coming for us. When it will come, that time we will see. But for now it is coming in the case of ni pratyaya. So that much meaning we will see. So artha is happening like this. Angavayava, so whole vritti, angavayava asarvanamasthana yajadi swadi paraha, yah an, anaha, अकारस्य नौ प्रत्यये परे सति विकल्पेन लोपः भवति. That is the meaning. अकारस्य नौ प्रत्यये परे सति विकल्पेन लोपः भवति. कीदृशस्य अनः? यः अन् अङ्गावयवः अस्ति, यः असर्वनामस्थान यजादि स्वादिपरकः वर्तते, तस्य अनः अकारस्य नौ प्रत्यय परे सति विकल्पेन लोपः भवति. That is the meaning. So rest of the vritti you can fill as it is like that. So that is the meaning. Vibhasha nishyoh, nishcha, shicha, nishyav, tayoh nishyoh. Vibhasha vikalpena lopah bhavati. Akarasya lopah bhavati, allopah anah. That whole sutra will get repeated here. The anuvritti will come here. Here it is. So vritta. Anaha bhasya angasya at nishyoho vibhasha lopah. So ataha lopah. That's how full sutra is there. So allopah. So nishyoho anaha bhasya anaha Nishyoho vikalpena vibhasha lopahasya. That's how we can pick the anuvritti of every word. So here we are. So what will happen here? Our case is asti dhana ni. One form we saw that vikalpena lopah bhavati. Yada bhavati tada yad rupam tad drishtam. Yada na bhavati tada kim bhavati. So asti asth. What will happen here? Anand will come. Sutra is Akara will not disappear, vikalpena. So vibhasha nishyo. Now when it will not disappear, we will get the form asthani. And when it will disappear, that time we will get asthani. Here we will show the two different situations. One is Virona and one is An. Sutra is Nisho. Here the sutra works like this. So asthani, asthni, these two forms we got here. Is this form clear and the sutra's meaning is clear? Sutra's meaning?
Yes, dear.
Asthi, dhana, os. What will happen here?
As before, asnu.
Anand, sutra is asthi. A will disappear, only na will remain. Os is as it is. Sutra is allopo naha. Then sasajufuru karavasana sarjaniya asnoho. Asti and a sup. What will happen?
Astisu, astishu.
Is Prateyo 10. Had they given Sambodhana there itself? And they had declined Dadhi. Granthakara has declined Dadi. We took Asti. Okay, so Dadi Shabda, same as it is going on. Dadna, Dadne, Dadna, Dadna, Dadno, Dadno. Instead of that, we saw Asna, Asne, Asnaha, Asnaha, Asnoho, Asnoho. And then in the case of Saptami Bhakti, here Dadni, Dadhani, it is given. We saw Asthi, Asthna, Asthani, Shesham Varivat. So whatever is remaining, there the Varivat Prakriya will take place. So Sambodhana, what will be the Sambodhana? See here. He.
As per Vari means there are two forms. So first one is Swamor Napumsakalinga.
Or Somor Napunsakat. So Somor Napunsakat should disappear.
So we say Hasti.
More Napunsakat, and further we get like this, that Pratyaya Lope Pratyaya Lakshana Karya will happen here. Pratyaya Lope Lakshanam. This Prakriya will happen. Why? Because Nalumatangasya this is Anitya. That's why once we will get, because it is Anitya, once we will get Vikalpena two forms. One is Asthi, as it is here, just Somor Napunsakat, Lopa we did, and we will get a Asthi. And Pratyaya Lope Pratyaya Lakshanam, by that doing the Badha or doing the Siddhi of Anityatva of Nalumatangasya, the Pratyaya Lope Pratyaya Lakshana Karya will happen. Pratyaya Lakshana Karya is Astha, He, the 0 it is, so we will take the appearance of that bracket. I will put to Sutra because of Pratyaya Lope Pratyaya Lakshanam, and then Ikara will get Guna. Sutra is
Rasvasya Guna.
is Rasvasya Gunaha. He Asthe. Yes, then Asti Dhana out. What will happen here? Dhana out.
Napumsakacha, it will get She Adisha.
Cha. Then it will be
Get Num Agama. Num Agama will happen by Ikochi Vibhaktau.
Kochi Vibhaktau. Ni Asti Dhana Jas. What will happen here? Asti Dhana Jas.
Jasha Sho She. He.
So she. Sutra. Situation we got. Now what will happen?
Napumsakasya Jalachaha.
Napunsakasya Jalachaha. This. We do the Ikochi Vibhakta. Parakarya we do. Napunsakasya Jalachaha is Prapta, but Ikochi Vibhakta comes and it says that, okay, do Num only, but using this sutra and not the Napunsakasya Jalachaha. So we get Num only. Sutra is Ikochi Vibhakta. We get in E. Ika, she has got one Saudhnya. Saudhnya is when it is napumsakalinga pratyaya.
Sarvanamasthanam.
Sarvanamasthana. Sarvanamasthana. So therefore, asthin dhana e, what will happen here?
Sarvanamasthane cha sambuddhau.
सर्वनामस्थाने च संबुद्धौ अस्थ इ सर्वनामस्थाने च संबुद्धौ असंबुद्धौ सर्वनामस्थाने प्रत्यये परे सति नान्तस्य उपधाया दीर्घस्य. So it is nanta anga upadha is becoming dirgha and we get is the form he asthini. So the whole shabda goes like this: asthini 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 asthna asthibhyam asthibhi asthne asthibhyam asthibhya asthna asthibhyam asthibhya asthna asthno asthnam asthni asthani asthno asthu he asthi he asthe he asthni he asthini. Same we have to decline dadhi, then asti dadhi sakthi, and then akshi. These 4 words, all those 4 words will be declined in the same manner. Not go ahead. Dadni, dadini, after Saptami Bhakti Ekvachan explanation, he told that Shesham Varivat, remaining will be like Vari Shabda, so that you finished. Evam, in the same manner, Asthi, Sakthi, Akshi, Ityadayah. So these words also will be declined in this manner. Now, here the Raswa Ikaranta Napunsakalinga Shabda is over. Okay. Now, Dirgha Ikaranta Napunsakalinga Shabda is being taken. So there is Shabda Sudhi. Suhthu Dhyayati iti Sudhi. Now, this is the Pratipadika. Pratipadika, Krit Pratyanta Pratipadika, Quip Pratyay is there. Quip disappears, Sarvapahari Lopah Bhavati. Tatah Sudhi iti Pratipadikam. Sudhi iti Visheshana. It can be used for any Vishesha. So, Vishesha can be Pullinga, Strilinga, Napunsakalinga. We use this Sudhi for Pullinga. We declined it for Napunsaka, Strilinga. Now we are declining it for Napunsakalinga. Now it is ending with Dirgha Ikara. Okay, we have seen that how this Dhyayate Samprasarancha, that's what the Prakriya happens. And we get the Dirgha Ikara. Dhi, Dhyayati iti, Dhihi, and then it was declined. Here also, Sushtu Dhyayati iti, Sudhi being used for Napunsakalinga. For example, Mitra, Mama Mitram Sudhi. That's what we want to say. Or Mama Mitram Sushtu Dhyayati. And for this Sushtu Dhyayati, this particular phrase, I am replacing with this Sudhi Shabda. Instead of saying Sushtu Dhyayati, iti Sudhi, Sushtu Dhyayati Mama Mitram. That I want to replace by Sudhi Shabda. Now, Sudhi is an adjective being used to describe this Mitra Shabda, which is Napunsakalinga. And in this situation, Sudhi will go through one process. What is that process? One sutra we had seen. Sudhi will not be taken as it is to decline with all the pratyayas. So, some prakriya will happen to it. Sudhi is having Pratipadika Saudhnya. Sudhi is Dirgha Ikaranta and it is being used for Napunsakalinga. Then there is one Sudhi. Okay, it will become Sudhi. Rasva Ikaranta it will become. Okay, Sudhi will not remain Sudhi, it will become Sudhi and it will be declared. Now I will reveal the question for you and we will declare now Rasva Ikaranta Sudhi Shabda. Okay. Basically, no dirgha swaranta shabda will be there for any napunsakalinga. Or in napunsakalinga, there won't be any dirgha swaranta shabda. Always there will be hrasva swaranta. Now, correct. Hrasvo napunsake pratipadikasya. When pratipadika has the napunsakatva is getting expressed by pratipadika, then pratipadika automatically turn into hraswanta. It will not remain dirghanta, dirghaswaranta. If it is dirghaswaranta, it will turn into hrasvaswaranta. And if it is hrasvaswaranta, then there is no problem. Here, the Sudhi Shabda, by default, it was Dirgha Ikaranta. But since the Napunsakatva is getting expressed by this Sudhi Shabda, that's why Napunsaka Lingatvat, the Sudhi Shabda is becoming Hraswa Swaranta. Thus, we get turning into Sudhi. Sutra is so now, Dhanasu. That's how we are going to decay. What will be the prakriya?
Swamor napumsakat.
Swamor napumsakat. So, disappear. Swamor. Sudhi. And now, what will happen here?
Napumsakatcha.
He and
He, Dhana, she. How will turn into she? Sutra is then
Ikochi vibhakto numagam.
he, num, Dhana, he. Sutra is Ikochi Vibhakta. Kochi. So, sorry, Sudhi, na, form, ni. Then next, anajas. What will happen here?
he and Gesha
So she, Sutra is yes, so she. Then that she will get one more Saudhna. Saudhna is
He Sarvanamasthan.
Sarvanama Sthanam. Will get Sudhi, Dhana, E. What will happen?
Num Agama by Ikochi.
Kochi, Vibhaktau. Then
Sudhini.
Sarvanamasthanecha Sambuddha.
Sarvanama Sthane Cha Sambuddho. Upadha, Ikara will become Dirgha. We will get final form. Sudhini. Okay. Sudhi, Sudhini, Sudhini. Same for Dvitiya Bhakti. So we will get Sudhi. Will disappear by Swamor Napunsakat. Su iti anayoho. Luksyat. So we will get Sudhi. Then Sudhi. out. Again, the Napunsakacha, by that au will get replaced aungah she syat. So she will come, and then the ikochi vibhaktau achi vibhaktau pare igantangasya iganta napunsakasya angasya numagamah syat. You will get num and sudhini. That's how the form will be. Sudhini. And shas. Shas will get replaced by she, by just so she. Then it is ajadi. Therefore, ikochi vibhaktau achi ajadau vibhaktau igantangasya num syat. So that's how we will get sudhi na e. Sudhi, sudhin e. Ikara, upadha ikara of sudhin will become dirgha because sarvanama sthane cha sambuddha. The asambuddha sarvanama sthane pratyaya pare sati nantasya upadhaya dirghasya. So sudhin is nanta here, and that's how we will get again same form. So sudhi sudhini sudhini sudhi sudhini sudhini. Now here comes the next. Let's decline one form. Sudhi. So far whatever we have learned, with that ta. Let's solve this. Sudhi dhana ta. What will happen here? What will happen? Sudhi dhana ta. Same normal prakriya we have to do. No special karya we are doing. Whatever is next karya is there here, specific karya is there, but it is vaikalpika. So that vaikalpika karya we will see. But first we will see the normal, the general process. Sudhi dhana ta.
Ango nastriyam.
Ango nastriyam, correct. It is supposed to happen, but it will get badhita by for Varina. What did we do? Ango nastriyam or ikochi vibhaktau?
Ekochi vibhakta.
So what will happen? Anna?
Ekochi vibhakta.
So then form will be,
Sudhini.
but here one more vaikalpika form is there. So let's read this sutra and then we will see that what is the next form. So far we are here. Sudhina, this form we have got. Okay, and vaikalpic form we are going to see. Sudhina is the common form or the general form so far what we have learned. This is the possible form for Napunsakalinga Shabda. Now let's read the sutra. तृतीयादिषु भाषितपुंस्कं पुंवद्गालवस्य तृतीयादिषु भाषितपुंस्कं पुंवद्गालवस्य तृतीयादिषु भाषितपुंस्कं पुंवद्गालवस्य. This assume for now, let's assume that Sudhi Shabda is Dirgha Ikaranta and it is being declined for Pullinga. Sudhi Shabda is being declined for Pullinga, not for Napunsakalinga. Let's assume that. Then what will be the Prakriya? That is the question. Okay. Sudhi Shabda, though we are using it for Napunsakalinga, of course it is being declined in Napunsakalinga here. For now, we are assuming it as Pullinga. It is being declined for Pullinga. Okay. Sudhi is being declined for Pullinga. So what will be the prakriya? That is the question. Sutras are here. One more sutra, just sutra is not complete, but you can apply these sutras which are here. Achisno dhatu bruvang goriyamagau eranekacho sanyoga purvasya nabhu sudhiyoho. These three sutras are supposed to be taken for prakriya. So what will happen? One rule we will have to remember. Okay, I will give the meaning of that rule. Rule is that sudhi shabda, though it is noun pratipadika, now it is supposed to get declined with sup pratyaya, swadi pratyas, yet it has dhatu saudhnya. Okay, though it is noun, it is pratipadika, it has dhatu saudhnya as well. So there is one rule. Can you recollect that rule? Okay, sudhi pratyaya, sudhi shabda is krit pratyayanta. Sudhi shabda is krit pratyayanta. Which krit pratyaya is there after this sudhi shabda? That is quip pratyaya. We saw that quip pratyaya is there. Now this quip pratyaya disappears, fully it disappears. But whenever we add quip pratyaya after any dhatu, this quip pratyaya is having such characteristics that though after adding krit pratyaya, dhatu does not remain dhatu, it becomes noun. Quip pratyaya whenever is added to dhatu, it becomes noun, so it gets the pratipadika saudhnya as well as dhatu saudhnya is maintained. So dhatu generally whenever connected with krit pratyaya turns into noun. Okay, suppose gam dhatu is there, shatra pratyaya is added, we get gachan form. Gachat, this particular form is now pratipadika, it is no more dhatu. But in the same case, when it is happening with quip pratyaya, for example, this dhi, jhayati iti dhi. So dhi gets the pratipadika saudhnya, also maintains dhatu saudhnya. So it has dhatu saudhnya as well. Because it has this dhatu saudhnya, therefore this sutra gets applied. What? Achishnu dhatu bhruvain goriyam. It says that whenever there is ajadi pratyaya in front of shnu pratyaya or any dhatu or bhru shabda, okay, what will happen? There the ikara and ukara of that shnu, dhatu and bhru shabda will be replaced by iyang or uang. When it is u, will be replaced by uang. When it is I, will be replaced by iyang. What is the condition? It should be dhatu, or it should be shnu pratyaya, or it should be bhru shabda. So here sudhi shabda is shabda or noun which is also having dhatu saudhnya, because it is dhatu saudhnya ka. Therefore, and it is getting followed by ajadi pratyaya. Sudhi is dhatu saudhnya ka, getting followed by ajadi pratyaya which is ta. Eventually it will become a. Therefore, ikara of sudhi will be replaced by iyang, and we will get this situation. Sudha iyang a. Sutra is achishnu dhatu bhruvain goriyam. But the application of this gets stopped by this eranekacho sanyoga purvasya, and then nabhu sudhiyoho, this sutra comes that okay, this nishedha or the eranekacho sanyoga purvasya yana desha will not happen to this sudhi shabda and bhu dhatu. That's all. Eventually we get yang adesha. So nabhu sudhiyo is what the sutra we are supposed to apply here. That is the meaning. So if we bring yang, then after bringing iyang, what will we get? The form will be
Sudhya.
correct. Sudhiya and one form we have got Sudhina. Sudhina is general bringing noom etc. and Sudhiya is the Pullinga Prakriya. But if Shabda is Napunsakalinga or it is being declined for Napunsakalinga, so obviously it has Napunsakalinga. How can we get the Pullinga form here? So the Galavacharya, one of the Vyakarana, he is saying that, see, here the Shabdas which are used for Napunsakalinga or for Pullinga, then those types of Shabdas, when they are specifically used for Napunsakalinga, they will also get Pullinga form. That is the meaning of Sutra. Okay? When the Shabda which can be used for Napunsakalinga Pullinga is being used for Napunsakalinga will also get Pullinga form. Okay? As per the opinion of Galavacharya. This is the meaning of Sutra. Just specific meaning is supposed to be taken there. That we will see in the next class. Should we stop here, Swamiji?
Yes, we can do it.
Let's do Shanti Patha. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om Swamiji. Hari Om.
Hariom ji.